Hello guys, welcome to my channel Dr. Tech. In my channel I give technical specifications of newly launched smartphones that have just arrived to the market. In this video we will be discussing about the newly launched Jio phone Next. Fun fact, as soon as Jio network was launched in India, India became the number one in data consumption worldwide from the position of number 155. This is due to the fact that Jio released very cheap data plans which attracted a large consumer base. Now let's move on to the comparison. Firstly, in terms of build quality, the Jio phone Next has a plastic back, but Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection in the front, which is very surprising in such a budget phone. In terms of display, the Jio phone Next has a 5.45-inch LCD display with 60Hz screen refresh rate. The resolution of the display is 720 x 1440. In terms of battery and charging, the Jio phone Next comes with a 3500 mAh battery, and a 7.5 watt charging brick with a micro USB cable. In terms of camera, the Jio phone Next has a 13 megapixel rear camera, and 8 megapixel front camera. Both the cameras can record video at 1080p at 30 frames per second. In terms of chipset, the Jio phone Next comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 215, which is a 28nm chip. This tells us that the processor consumes a lot of energy and produces a high amount of heat than the chips used in the latest smartphones. It has a 4-core CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz, and consists of Adreno 308 GPU, which is clocked at 465 MHz. In terms of memory and storage, it comes with 2 GB of LPDDR3 RAM, and 32 GB ROM. Although the phone can support up to 512 GB through expandable storage. In terms of connectivity, the Jio phone Next supports Bluetooth 4.1 version, which is very old and inefficient. It also supports an old version of Wi-Fi, which supports a maximum bandwidth of up to 54 Mbps, and is capable of using just the 2.4 GHz frequency. Lastly, in terms of its pricing, overall it costs about 6,499 Indian rupee, which is very astonishing, keeping its features in mind. According to me, the phone is not worth keeping its technical specifications in mind. Nowadays a lot of phones come under 10,000 Indian rupee which have better specifications than the Jio phone Next. Also the phone cannot handle heavy apps, and lags a lot while constant usage. This is it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts regarding the video, then please feel free to type your doubts in the comment section. Bye.